So by having or not having the arms is why we got attached to the chair. It at least allows them to press the drum. But what will happen is that when we got this, the guy that done it
Thanks
originally,
for the host, Laura, and hello to 0 peoples.
Would have talked it through with everyone in the office and said, right, which buttons do we want to do? And done it that way. Right, this I think has a certain way it goes round. That's that one. That's that one. Right, that goes in that one. Right, trying to work out what way round these go. You tend to find a lot of things are keyed. Can't help. No, that has to be. Can't help feel that that's wrong. Maybe it goes. It's that way. Right, this one's not right though. That's not right. Well, it's either got to be that way. That seems to be, because they line up. There we go. They now line up with those holes. Oops, that camera switched. Sorry. There we go, and then they're pointing outwards. There we go. And then we've got the hi-hat. Looks like that. And then we've got a button that's escaped. That's down here. Oops. There it goes. That's now on there. You know, you get that feeling that you're gonna be screws left over. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Mark,
6,
hello,
7,
Mark.
8,
Hope you're
9.
good. Mark in 43 months.
Yeah, all good, all good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's gonna be 1 screw left over. Why?